Welcome. Today we will have a short tutorial for how to install SELEC Software version 5.3.7 onto your system. You can get a link of latest SELEC softwares in below descriptions. This is also available on our company website, or simply drop us a mail on sales@selec.com. Minimum requirement of system configuration for using Selpro are operating systems, Windows XP and above, and can be installed on both 32 and 64-bit versions. Minimum RAM requirement is 1 GB. Now we will start actual installation. For installations, we will need select Selpro Software 5.3.7 MSI file. To install, double-click on .msi file. A setup wizard will appear on window. Click on Next to proceed. This window will appear to select desired folder path. Our recommendation is to create a new path other than program files, since operating system above Windows 7 doesn't provide read and write access to all files in program file folder, whereas Selpro requires read and write access while in use. Here I have created a new folder and will start with the installation. Click on Install to start installation. Install wizard will initiate installation onto your system. System will ask for confirmation. Allow permission to continue. Your software is being installed. Click on Finish to complete installation. It is advisable to restart PC after installation. To open software, double-click on Software shortcut. You will see a welcome page of software. So, we have completed software installation. Please see other videos for how to use software, product ranges and other technical support. Thank you.